From every corner of the globe, the brightest minds are converging at King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals. Under the patronage of President Mohammed Al-Sagaf, KFUPM proudly presents Data to Decisions. Bridging the Gap with Machine Learning, the first AI workshop in our region to unite academia, industry, and the global AI community. Jointly organized by the College of Petroleum Engineering and Geosciences and the College of Computing and Mathematics, this groundbreaking 4-day event will address the challenges of the oil, gas, and mining sectors under the opportunities of a digital revolution, while inspiring the next generation of students to shape the future. Technical experts from across disciplines will gather to share cutting-edge innovations, tackle real-world problems, and forge transformative partnerships. This event is more than a workshop. It's a transformative platform where people with different backgrounds come together to share knowledge and redefine how machine learning and AI shapes critical sectors. From KFUPM to the world, we are transforming challenges into opportunities, bridging gaps, and pioneering solutions for the future. Join us in shaping the future of industry with machine learning.